Welcome back, my DIY Nomads. If it hasn't been obvious up until now, I am being sponsored by Simba. I'll be releasing a few little bits of sponsorship through the next couple of videos, showing off these awesome mattresses. They've been very kind in sending me this double mattress for me to test out and review, really. Let you guys know my opinions and pretty obviously try and sell them to you. I will be leaving a discount code in the link in the description below, so it will also hover on the screen here. But please give them a look. Give them a look and consider they are. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna hide anything. They are a pretty high-priced item, but I mean, as it's pretty obvious, you spent a third of your life. I'm 27 now, so I've spent 9 years sleeping. 9 years of my life sleeping, just sleeping. So I felt it was necessary to try out something very nice, very top quality, something that could potentially make camper vanning better than living in a house. I'm gonna say it, better than living in a house. I don't think, to be honest, it's that hard to actually. And with something as nice as this, I think it should be a dream. Dream. This is the Simba mattress. It feels pretty comfy at the moment. I'm going to sleep with it in the house. And yeah, I'll give you my honest review about this. On with the video, I guess. Something else I'll also be talking about later in the video is all these sexy t-shirts that are behind me. I'm bringing out a line of merch, and I just wanted to start small. I wanted to offer some t-shirts for you guys. There'll also be stickers up for sale as well, the original HughTube stickers. And I plan on sort of doing these 4 as is at the moment, hopefully to look at expanding as well once I get some more money, because at the moment setting up this unit is keeping me broke. And then yeah, we will hopefully be able to get more gear, more designs, and even more products like other garments. I don't know what, maybe hoodies and stuff like that. So currently, as you guys already know, this is, you know, the van layout, completely blocked off from the back, L-shaped sofa bed that pulls out. Sorry for the mess on the bed at the moment. And then really functional, really clean, nice kitchen with lots and lots of storage and a fridge underneath. Now this has been working great for me so far. It's been nice for like weekend trips away, even like for that week-long trip down through France. It was really nice even to have a friend up with a camp bed, and that's great. But I want to do bigger adventures or longer adventures, or actually just do adventures where we're even more comfortable in the van. So, along with me also having a van conversion channel, I'm planning on stripping this all out, the whole van. The only thing I'm going to be leaving up is up front with all the seats. These captain seats have been an absolute godsend, and being able to walk through the back, because I got rid of the bulkhead, being able to walk through the centre here is so awesomely useful. So what I'm planning on doing, yeah, stripping out all the back, stripping out the walls, everything. It's going to be a blank van again. The only things that won't move are the sort of the panels that I stuck down with that glue, the things that I screw the cladding to and put the floor onto. And then I'm going to add even more insulation. I'm going to try a bunch of new things that haven't been done on the channel. So that you guys can see me do things that are going to challenge me, things that you guys might be interested in having done to your van. So I'm going to add Celotex insulation. I was umming and ahhing about this because I really don't like the sustainability or the ecological aspect of how Celotex is made. It's a very harmful, horrible product, but it would be toasty warm in the winter. Yeah, so I'm planning on gonna use a bit of the wool-based insulation that's already in here, along with some Celotex just to fill in other areas, and then I'm gonna put everything back on. I might not have cladded walls. I don't know. I'm gonna have a think about it. But there's the bulkhead wall at the back, that's going. I'm going to have full access all the way to the back. The bed will then be pushed back, and I'm going to look more into the safety aspect. So The water tank's going to come to the front and be mounted more securely, probably behind the captain chairs, so that in an event of a crash I can bracket them down, and if they were to go flying they would hit the lower end of the steel frames for the chairs, which are very, very strong, but they would be bracketed down, so they would have to get through that before they even put any weight or anything against any of the other steel framing. That goes the same for the battery, and they will be separated as well. Plus this means that the electrical cables can be shortened, which means that they don't have to be so thick. I want to house most of the utility stuff under the kitchen area. Then that means the bed can be pushed back by about 30 or 40 centimeters, which gives me more space up here. But I'll probably try and put, if I can get a double in here, I'll put my Simba mattress in here, which would be epic. Otherwise I might even look at getting another Simba mattress, a small double, if I need to go small double, just so that I can have like a super luxury high-end bed in here. But I'm not going to put any windows in the back. It's just more stuff I'm going to have to insulate. Those back doors are going to get really well insulated. Like, I'm going to put some proper thick boy Celotex on there, because there's just no need to have anything on there apart from insulation. Oh yeah, of course, the main point. I'm going to challenge myself in this conversion, so I'm going to be adding a shower and a toilet. Something I've never looked into before. I'm going to have to look into the aspects of hot water, how I'm going to most easily deal with shit and piss, which is going to be delightful. The reason I wanted to look into adding a shower and a toilet was A, to challenge myself, something I've never done before, something you guys have never seen before on this channel, and also, when you are, unless you're at a campsite, it's really nice just to know that you could have a shower or just go for a pee or a poo anytime you need it, especially in the middle of the night. Even when you're at the campsite, the last thing you want to do, and probably 75% of all the campsites I've ever been to, you wake up in the middle of the night needing a wee, if you do, that is, and you realise that you're going to have to walk like 50 metres. And it doesn't sound like much, but when it's like the middle of the night, especially in the winter, in the middle of the night, and you have to make a bunch of noise getting out of bed, slamming doors, walking in cold weather through a wet field to go have a piss in, or not usually the nicest of toilets, it's just like, oh, no. I'd rather just be able to roll out of bed, quickly just sit on the toilet in here and do my business and crack back to bed. So yeah, that is my plan. That's my plan for the van, which is really exciting, but I'm holding off until I've got the space, which shouldn't be too much longer. And then while the space is almost being developed, I'm gonna be in there doing stuff anyway, and I'm gonna be doing this to this van. So there's gonna be lots of videos of me doing the van, plus making them, building up the workshop. So yeah, please guys, I'm really sorry, the content's going to be a bit lacking over the next few weeks until I can get in there. Once I'm in the unit, oh, it's going to be all systems go. We're going to be warp driving through this channel now, and we'll be able to get so much content up, and I'm really excited, and it's going to be such a cool space. And yeah, I'll be able to get in loads of supplies. So well, actually, Travis and Perkins will be right next door anyway if I need more supplies, but I'm going to have my own supplies in-house, so like sheets of ply and everything like that, so I can just get cracking. Now on to merch. So these are the 4 t-shirts. We're going to have 2 colours, burgundy and grey, and then 2 designs. So there's going to be DIY Nomad, or sort of like my camper design that I drew myself, and all of them are going to have the HughTube logo on the back on the neck. Just like that, nice and sexy. So, DIY Nomad, and then it also come in yellow on grey, which is one of my favourites actually. And then this is the only one that will come with yellow logoing. The rest will all be in white, but that looks really badass like that. And then this one is the burgundy with the camper design. So we've got burgundy with white, grey with white, douche, 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 and that is the 4 selection. So as you're watching this video right now, the t-shirts will be available to pre-order on my website right now. Links in the description below. And the date, basically Nitro is printing them right now as we speak, which is really exciting. So I'm going to put up a little date on the screen here, and that is the date that I will receive them before they get shipped out to you. So if you want to wait and hold off before you order, that is fine. Or if you order them now, I'll be shipping it on this date. So just keep that in mind if you make the order today or within the near future. But that is everything from me today. So I'm sorry for the short video. That is the update. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and leave a like for this video. And I will see all you DIY nomads in the near future.